Grayheaded Albatross. Top speed, 78.9 miles per hour. The Grayheaded Albatross is a large seabird that breeds primarily in the southern Atlantic area of the Southern Ocean. With a wingspan of 2.2 meters, the gray albatross can fly at a top speed of 78.9 miles per hour. They fly at a standard speed of 68 miles per hour without rest during foraging. Gir Falcon. Top speed, 80 miles per hour. Gir falcons are known for their long pointed wings and high-speed diving. The biggest falcon in the world is the Gir Falcon. They can be about 20 to 24 inches in length and up to 1.3 kilograms in weight. A Gir Falcon can attain a top speed of 129 kilometers per hour, 80 miles per hour, during a dive. Gir falcons also have excellent control over their rapid diving. Redbreasted Mergancer. Top speed, 80 miles per hour. Redbreasted Mergancer is a large diving duck and has been found in large numbers in rivers and freshwater lakes throughout North America and Europe. The adult red-brown mergancer has a wingspan of 2.2 to 2.6 feet. On this journey, the red-breasted mergancers hit a maximum speed of 129 kilometers per hour, 80 miles per hour. Spur-winged goose. Top speed, 88 miles per hour. The spur-winged goose is a large waterfowl found in wetlands all over Africa. They can be between 30 to 45 inches in length and weigh up to 7 kilograms. They have a wingspan of between 1.5 to 2 meters as well. With a top speed of 88 miles per hour, the spur-winged goose is considered the fastest goose in the world. Spur-winged goose is the largest in the perching duck family. Rock dove. Pigeon. Top speed, 92.5 miles per hour. Pigeons are one of the fastest birds in the world. They're not just fast. Pigeons over a long distance are fast. The winning pigeon was documented flying at an average of 148.9 kilometers per hour, 92.5 miles per hour, in one race, above 640 kilometers. Frigate Bird. Top speed, 95 miles per hour. The frigate bird is a large seabird that can be found around the world in tropical regions. They have a 2.3-meter wingspan. The frigate bird has the world's largest wingspan compared to the body-weight ratio. A top speed of 153 kilometers per hour, 95 miles per hour, can be reached by the frigate bird. Eurasian Hobby. Top speed, 100 miles per hour. The Eurasian Hobby, one of the fastest birds in the world, is a tiny member of the falcon family. To spend the winter, they migrate towards Central Africa and Southern Asia, at a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour. White-throated needletail. Top speed, 105 miles per hour. The white-throated needletail is a large swift that inhabits Siberia and Asia's rocky hills. They are sometimes referred to as spine-tailed swifts. The spine-tailed swift is the fastest bird in flapping flight at top speeds of 105 miles per hour. It is among the fastest birds. The spine-tailed swifts are referred to as a migratory bird. They are going towards South Asia and Australia before the start of winter. Golden eagle. Top speed, 200 miles per hour. The biggest raptor in North America is the golden eagle. The length of this mighty eagle is about 26 to 40 inches, and it weighs up to 7 kilograms. They are also known to have a wingspan of 2.3 meters. From great heights, they dive upon their prey. Golden eagles are said to reach a maximum speed of 200 miles per hour during a dive. Peregrine falcon. Top speed, 242 miles per hour. The peregrine falcon is known as the fastest bird in the world, with a top speed of 242 miles per hour. It zooms at not too shabby speeds averaging 25 to 34 miles per hour, 40 to 55 kilometers per hour, while on a level flight. The peregrine soars to great heights and then sink into a deep dive at speeds up to 242 miles per hour, 389 kilometers per hour, called stooping. One of the most prevalent birds of prey, peregrine falcons are present on all continents except Antarctica. For years, they have been prepared for hunting. In the United States, in 1970, The American and Arctic peregrine falcon subspecies were listed as endangered. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video. See you in the next video.